it's Monica and I'm going to show you my favorite parts of my house. So welcome to my garden and my balcony. I'm going to show you guys around. So down here I have some herbs. I have things like basil, onions, or chives, rosemary. These are really good for when I cook and they're super easy to have. I just have them out here in direct sunlight. And then here I have some tomatoes and you can see some are growing. They look really good. And then here I just have a random collection of everything. I have some peas, some more tomatoes, and here are little babies that I'm trying to grow. Then I'll put them into pots of their own. Hopefully they don't end up dead like this one. So gardening is one of my favorite hobbies. I want to know what your favorite hobbies are. Do you love gardening? Can you keep your plants alive? Or are you okay just like me? So I have some resources down below on the Language Snaps website, so if you can look through them, you can have some extra help in answering the question and let me know what your thoughts are down below. Bye!